Hello!
Hey guys, welcome. In this video I'm gonna show you how you can install Yarn in your Visual Basic Studio. So let's get started with this thing. So once you visit this page, like their official website Yarn, you'll get this page. Here you will get all this description, what it is all about, and how you're going to get these all smart features of this thing. So once I click on this get started, so it will take me here, and after that I will just go and click on this installation button. After that it will show me this all things, and you can also upgrade through that npm, because I have already, like in my Visual Studios, I have already installed Node and npm with it, and so that instead of using npm, I'm just going to use this Yarn, because this is the latest uh, npm type version. It is already, it is created by the Facebook, and if I want to install this Yarn, I'm just have to go to alternatives here and just check whether it is your operating system is Windows, Mac OS, or other than that just click on Windows, and it is now classic stable. I'm gonna just download this thing. After downloading this, I'm gonna just click on this setup file. Wait a second, it is preparing to install. Now this will show you like this, how welcome to Wizard. Just have to click on next. I have to accept the terms and conditions for this thing. Again next, install, say yes. Okay, now this is this setup of Yarn has completed. Now if I want to check here, in this Visual Studios, it will not show me that. If I tried, wait a second, I'll show you. Yarn, maybe if I go to V, no, it is not showing that. I have to restart my Visual Studios. If I restart this thing, it will take me to the terminal. So if I say Yarn -v, now you can see that I have successfully installed this Yarn version of 1.22.118. So this is it for this video, and thanks for watching my video. Please do like, subscribe, share this video, and keep promoting it, and stay happy. So I will meet you in the next episode, in my next video. So happy holiday.